What exactly is happening with Elon Musk and Tesla? There is a sudden surge in anti Elon Musk protest. This is just not limited to the US borders but has made its way to European countries. And why Tesla? Also, what made a president of a country to promote Tesla? Yes, you heard it right. US President Donald Trump is now a proud owner of a red Tesla car. He says it is the car of a patriot. Strange case, right? This makes me wonder, would Americans have to prove their nationalism by buying Elon Musk's Tesla because their president tells them it's a car of patriots? Now, coming back to the story, there is a Tesla takedown movement in the US. People are out on the streets and taking down Tesla facilities through arson. As part of the Tesla takedown movement, the protesters are demanding a boycott of Tesla products and its CEO. In fact, there is a website in which protesters are asking individuals to sell their Tesla cars, urging investors to no longer invest in Tesla. The message reads, "Sell your Teslas, dump your stock, join the picket lines. Hurting Tesla is stopping Musk." The protesters say that stopping Elon Musk will save America's democracy. Elon calls these attacks at Tesla facility an act of terrorism. But why this sudden hatred and violence against Musk? These American protesters are expressing their anger and dissatisfaction over Elon Musk's contentious role in Donald Trump's administration. Elon Musk DOGE, which is also called the Department of Government Efficiency, has become a pain in the eye of some Americans. DOGE's decisions have been facing backlash. DOGE was created by Donald Trump. It is a temporary organization until July 4, 2026. It is headed by Elon Musk, with a team of young people, mostly from the tech background. It has swiftly gained access to sensitive databases. It is sharply cutting down federal spending and firing the federal employees. Moreover, DOGE has shut down the USAID agency. Last month, USAID's website went dark and its employees were barred entry into its headquarters. USAID funds were meant to deliver aids around the world, particularly to underdeveloped nations. Elon Musk says that he will come out with a leaderboard of all dumb spending. This leaderboard will be both tragic and entertaining. Musk has claimed that so far DOGE has saved $100 billion. So Elon's contentious decisions are reasons behind public's anger. These anti-Tesla protesters are with the hope of galvanizing opposition to Elon Musk's DOGE. The protesters are trying to impose direct economic damage on Tesla by arsoning its car and boycotting it. This is their way to get back at Elon Musk. And not just America, but in Europe too. Public in London and Germany are on the streets against Musk. In the UK's Wales, there was a 250-meter long slogan carved out on the sands of Wells Beach. The message it said was, "Don't buy a Tesla." There was a silhouette of Elon Musk too, and his now infamous salute. In London, a group of 30 protesters gathered outside the Tesla showroom. Their demonstration was also part of Tesla takedown movement. These protesters are also encouraging British Tesla owners to sell their cars and boycott Tesla charging points. Have a look at these posters which have appeared in London. The UK's share is just 4.5% in Tesla's market share. Nearly 4,000 Teslas were sold in the UK in February 2025. After the UK comes Germany. Last week in Berlin, multiple Tesla vehicles were set on fire. This was also part of the anti-Elon Musk protest. In February, when Germany was in its general elections phase, there were multiple anti-Musk protests. This was over Musk's endorsement of a far-right party, AfD party. Elon Musk, through a live video, had expressed his support for the AfD party ahead of the Germany's elections.
Talk, Alice. I can only hear some of your words. My apologies. I can only hear some of your words.
Okay.
But
let's go. Let's go. Let me try one thing.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Fight for a great future for Germany. Fight for a great future for Germany. Go, go, go. Convince your friends. Convince everyone. Let's go. Yay. Be excited about the future. And if you want to make the future great, if you want the future to be great, you need to make it great and fight for the future to be great. That's how it becomes great.
AfD is a far-right party. It has made history as the first far-right party to win a state election since Hitler's Nazi era. German officials had accused Elon of interfering in their democratic process after he publicly endorsed the AfD party. In fact, Elon had urged German voters to embrace change through their votes in the same way Americans did in 2016. Musk is particularly evolving himself in European politics. This is the main reason the Europeans are demonstrating against Elon Musk and his electric car Tesla. Tesla is one of the leading automobile companies. Now that Elon is playing a starring role in Trump's administration, his Tesla is falling on harder times. For Tesla, the starting of 2025 saw a slow start. The company has seen dramatic decline in Europe. Their sales fell 45% in January. In the US, where Tesla is the most popular EV brand, its market share has fallen to under 50% in 2024. Tesla is also losing grounds in Chinese market. And now Musk is eyeing the Indian market to sell his EVs. Now the point is, the blame for the fall in Tesla's market share cannot be put alone on Musk's political activities. But it cannot be ignored either. Of course, Elon's involvement in politics are at play. Well, that's all for this news report. For more such news, subscribe to HW News English.